So this is a 6-in-1 efficient and convenient pressure washer nozzle tip that combines 6 spray patterns into a range from 0, which is very sharp, degrees, 15 degrees, it gets wider to 25 degrees and 40 degrees. It also has a soap and rinse setting, and it's good for up to 3000 psi. So this is good replacement for any pressure washer, whether it be electric and gas, and it's super easy to switch between the 6 settings, and all you had to do is just turn the dial and you have a clear marker to show the arrow to which setting it's set on. And I tried this, and this is really convenient because you got everything you need to pressure wash in most any situation, all in one tip. No need to be losing different tips and looking for different tips and the time it takes to switch different tips. And with this nozzle, it's all eliminated. So you could go and do anything from shingles, from rinsing cars, to cleaning stone like I'm cleaning here, and having different levels of dirt, and enabled to go quicker. If it's light dirt, you can use that 40-degree wide nozzle and get less sweeps, a wider cleaning effective area compared to a narrow area for tougher stains. So I was easily able to take care of this stonework in probably an hour, and it was very effective even with my electric sprayer. And with the 1/4-inch quick plug, it just snaps right on and you're ready to go. So you could do everything from concrete floors, patio decks, siding, windows, cars. I did it all. They say it's also suitable for watering flowers and bathing the pets, which I probably wouldn't do, but it has a great range from very soft to super 0 degrees, very pinpoint accurate and strong. And that is the 6-in-1 nozzle.